Calvary, it's your boy Moski. Sorry about that intro, y'all, but I had to cast a spell on some of y'all because today we will be reviewing something very, very cool. Pretty surprising Air Jordan 1 Low that came out on Wednesday, and boy, I couldn't believe it. Like, these ones crept up on me because these motherfuckers is wet, y'all. The Jordan 1 Low OG Zion Voodoo. To be honest with y'all, I have never been a fan of Jordan 1s. They always been hella bunk to me. I promise you. They always have gave great value or, like pay less see. I've never liked them. It's just something about the lows. But these motherfuckers here, they caught my eyes, bruh. These are my very first Air Jordan Low. Motherfuckers is wet though. You feel me? They bust. They bust. Because most of the Air Jordan 1s that I be seeing, them need to be by the Jumpman Jordans, bruh. The Mexican J's, they need to be by those. Because those just be trash, dude. Them just be trash, dude. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my opinion. These Air Jordan 1 Low Zions retailed at $165, bruh. And I believe they sold out in places. They might have some GS sizes left, but I know in men's sizes, I believe they sold out pretty quick. You feel me? But if there's some, that's pretty cool that they released these in GS, bruh. For the kids. You know what I'm saying? For the paparoskis. So, blood, check this out. If your cubby been getting good grades, go ahead and grab them some voodoos. Go ahead. Because they earned it, bruh. Give them kids they homage, bruh. If they've been getting them good These came in a Nike Air blue box. And that's kind of busty, you feel me? That blue look good on there. Colors on the shoe include violet, blue, green. One good thing about this release is they gave y'all spare laces, bruh. Spare laces. For $165, you can't beat it. You feel me? You cannot beat that. But honestly, if I'm being for real with you, I feel like the yarn laces look the best. That's just my opinion, bruh. So the yarn is what they come with. So yeah, it looks like I'll be leaving these in. I'm not gonna change them. So yeah, it's still good though. They give everybody a choice. Some people might not like these. They might not like the yarn laces. So wait a minute, y'all. Actually, I said that it comes with 2 backup laces. It actually comes with 3 backup laces, bruh. It comes with the black, it comes with the gray, and it comes with the green. And then it comes with the yarn. The yarn is my favorite, bruh. To be honest with you, I won't be changing these. I won't be changing the lacing in these, bruh. I'll relace them, and make them look better. But these yarn laces are it to me. These shoes are very, very special to Zion, bruh. I seen a picture of him on Twitter with him rocking these on the release, bruh. And basically these just, pay homage to his New Orleans roots with the, the voodoo skulls and the colors. It's also come with inverted branding. You see it got the Air Jordan wings upside down. You feel me? And it got, the Nike sign the wrong way. But it looked tight though, bruh. You know what I'm saying? And bruh, some of y'all might have slept on these. Like, y'all be liking all these Jordan 1s, but y'all didn't like these, bruh. I don't understand. These is the coldest Air Jordan 1 lows, my bad. Air Jordan 1 lows that I've seen, bruh. We'll see if they come out with some more wet shit, because as far as now, these are the only Air Jordan 1s that I have, bruh. But if they snapped on these motherfuckers. Come on now. You feel me? They went dumb. We gonna see if they keep it up, bruh. But hey, they gonna have to work hard with me. I'm hard to satisfy, bruh. But yeah, y'all. What are y'all thoughts on these, bruh? Let me know in the comments if you picked, first and foremost, let me know in the comments if you picked up the Zions. And second, bruh, this is the real question. Do y'all like these Voodoos, or do y'all like those green ones that came out in 2022, bruh? Let me know in the comments, bruh. And hey, man, it's a new sheriff in town. Subscribe to your boy Moski, bruh. I'm here, y'all. That's a quick review of the, you feel me, Zions, ya digs. You know, I just wanted to give y'all a review on that. I am going to relace these for y'all, like per usual. I'm gonna relace these and show you how to be a P. You feel me? You know, y'all need to see it. Y'all gonna get it, bruh. Y'all gonna be walking outside, hey, I'll be like, hey, look at bruh. He been looking at Olutoyin videos, bruh. He going crazy with the lacing, bruh. You gonna be snatching all the ladies. You ain't gonna leave none for me. But yeah, y'all, always remember, be the best you can be and never let them see you sweat, bruh.